What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the creek to be fishing for some bass, and I'm going to be trying out some new mini SENKOS that I got them at Academy in San Antonio, so hopefully they work out. I've tried mini SENKOS here before. They worked out pretty great. Different brand though, so we're gonna put that up to the test, see if we can catch some fish. It rained all day yesterday, so technically the bite should be on today. Water clarity looks good, but this spot can vary. Sometimes you can have a great day here of fishing, or you can have a really bad day of fishing. So we'll see if we can make something happen. Got a few hours to fish. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, so I came across these baits at Academy, mini SENKOS, watermelon red. Now I fished here with Guggen baits, mini SENKOS, same color, watermelon red. The only difference with those baits is that those were a little bit stiffer and these seem a little softer. So I think these are gonna have a little bit more action. Not too sure whether these will perform as good as the Guggen baits. They might even perform better because these are softer. The Guggen baits one did really well that day. I caught quite a few fish, so we're gonna put this up to the test today. Hopefully these do really well. I'm not too sure whether they will or not. We'll see if we can make something happen. I want to give this spot about 3 hours to fish. I don't know how the fish are right now. I don't know if they're biting, where they're at. I'm definitely gonna try and catch some fish today. So give it a few hours, put these up to the test, and hopefully we can land some. So right off the bat, one thing I really like about these baits is they have a slot for the hook. That's one advantage I see these baits over Guggen baits. This one already right off the bat is soft. I can tell it's gonna be easy to rig, and it has a slot for your hook. So right off the bat, that's an advantage. A fish on? Oh, that's definitely a fish. You got to be kidding me. I had him on for quite some time. He didn't break me off, but I just didn't hook into him. I have no idea how I didn't hook into him. Is that him again? Oh, that's him again. Take it, bud. Got him. First fish of the day. That's a nice one. Get in here, buddy. Let's freaking go. I don't know if that's the same fish. Hooked him pretty good though. I have to set the hook really hard here, as you can tell, because of the lily pads. They wrap your line around the lily pads, and you gotta make that connection between the line and the hook, because sometimes they'll wrap you around the lily pads. Not a bad fish. What a beautiful fish right there. Mini SENKO, getting it done. I've been fishing for maybe like 30 minutes. Not too long. I've already gotten 2 bites. This might have been the same fish. I'm not too sure. It was around the same area. Gonna keep casting there. There could be some more fish, but not bad. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Take a thumbnail real quick of this fish. Such a beautiful fish. There he goes. Back in the water. Wow, not a bad fish. First fish of the day. I really think these mini SENKOS are pretty deadly here because they're pretty small, not too much of a big presentation. I mean, compared to the size of my hand, they're not that big. Smaller presentation, less intimidating. That's why I think these SENKOS, like, they're pretty good here. These fish are highly pressured. They're used to seeing bigger baits. They're used to seeing baits, but something small like this can entice them to eat it. They don't really expect it. So first fish of the day. Been fishing for probably about 30 minutes. That's the second bite I get. Could have been the same fish, not too sure. I'm gonna keep fishing, try and catch another fish. We should be able to. The bite seems on, these fish seem active. With this SENKOS, we should get it done. So I'm gonna keep fishing and hopefully we can catch another one. I just scooped something right there. Oh, I just got marked. That's a fish. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. Come on. Come on. That is a nice one. That is a decent one right there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Top of the mouth right there. Look at that fish. That is a decent sized fish right there, everybody. Not a bad fish. About a 2-pounder. Wow. Quality fish. Has like a little black mark right here on this. No, not anymore. Looks like this fish just got done spawning. Tail's a little bloody, kind of broken up. I'm gonna go ahead and release him right here. It's kind of tough to release fish here because there's so much vegetation and so much grass and stuff. Back in the water he goes. Wow, what a quality fish. I was trying to cast there. I kept trying to cast right there where all that junk is, all that gunk, and I couldn't get my bait in there because I kept getting caught up in the lily pads. But once I got in the thicket, once I got in all that gunk, that fish bit. About a 2-pounder. I haven't caught a fish like that in a while at this spot. That was a decent sized fish. Oh, oh my gosh. From the tree, from the tree. He's in the tree, he's in the tree. No way. Look, that bass is in the tree. That bass is in the tree. My bait was stuck in the tree and I caught that fish in the tree. Let's freaking go. It's a nice one. The tree dangle. No way. No freaking way. No freaking way. Look at that bass. Decent sized bass. Tail's a little bloody. Bigger than the last one. I hope I got that on camera. I don't know if y'all saw that, but my bait, I casted it out there and it got stuck in that tree over there. And my bait was on top of the water and that fish came out like top water. He took my bait. I had no other way just to set the hook. Like I set the hook and that fish was dangling from the tree. Oh my god, that was insane that I caught this fish. I didn't even know how I got him out of the tree. This fish was literally hanging from the tree. Insane. Nice 2.5. I will take it. It's crazy that we even landed this fish. That was insane. That was such a cool bite. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go now. Such a crazy way to catch a fish. Back in the water he goes. No way that just happened. No freaking way that just happened. Fish dangling from a tree. What do you know? All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. We caught 3 fish in total within a time span of about an hour and a half. We absolutely slayed them. If you want to pick up these baits at any academy, I think you can find them. They were pretty cheap. I'm not too sure. I don't remember, but we absolutely slayed them on these mini SENKOS. Watermelon red. That last fish bite was absolutely... That last fish bite was absolutely insane. We caught that fish like top water and then he was stuck in a tree and we still landed him, which was absolutely crazy. These mini SENKOS really put the hammer down today. But with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, drop a comment down below for any future video ideas that y'all may have. And we're almost to 200 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.